हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज की वीडियो जो है वो रेड क्लिफ्स अवार्ड पे है। इसमें मैंने जो स्टार्ट में इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है वो कायद-ए-आज़म के वर्ड्स से दिया है। वी हैव बीन स्क्वीज्ड इन एज मच एज इट वाज पॉसिबल एंड द लेटेस्ट फ्लो व्हिच वी हैव रिसीव्ड वाज द अवार्ड ऑफ द बाउंड्री कमीशन। इट इज़ एन अनजस्ट, इनकम्प्रिहेंसिबल एंड इवन परवर्स अवार्ड। ये कायद-ए-आज़म के वर्ड्स थे। और फिर इंट्रोडक्शन में आपने कुछ जो कोट करना होता है उसके बाद कुछ थोड़ा बहुत एक्सप्लेन भी करना होता है। कुछ एक्सप्लेनेशन दी है। देयर इज़ नो ब्लिंकिंग द फैक्ट दैट रेडक्लिफ अवार्ड वाज अ बायस्ड वन, ब्रेकिंग द कंडीशंस ऑफ जून 3rd प्लान रिगार्डिंग द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल एंड पंजाब. Many Muslim majority areas were handed over to India. It is said that there was an open and hidden web of Congress British conspiracies and that the original award was changed in some of its aspects by the Viceroy Mountbatten. फिर नेक्स्ट आता है ब्रीफ इनाटमी ऑफ द अवार्ड। जो इनाटमी थी अवार्ड की वो दो हिस्सों में तकसीम थी, पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल एंड डिवीजन ऑफ पंजाब। पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल में आता है कलकत्ता अलॉन्ग विद इट्स हिंटरलैंड ऑफ मुस्लिम मेजॉरिटी, मुर्शिदाबाद, ग्रेट पार्ट ऑफ नादिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट बोथ मुस्लिम मेजॉरिटी असाइंड टू इंडिया, चिटागोंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट मुस्लिम मेजॉरिटी एंड इस हिल ट्रैक्स नॉन मुस्लिम मेजॉरिटी टू पाकिस्तान. Uncompromised in Sialkot and Assam district, some Muslims majority areas to India while some non-Muslim areas assigned to Pakistan. फिर next आता है division of Punjab. A number of contiguous Muslim majority areas were looped off from Pakistan, but not a single non-Muslim major area was taken away from India. For example, Gurdaspur, Batala, Ajnala, Nakodar, Jalandhar, Zira, Firozpur sub-districts and Tehsil respectively with Muslim majority all transferred to India. Pathankot was Hindu majority area assigned to India. फिर कुछ वेब कॉन्स्पायरेसीज थी, द वेब ऑफ कॉन्स्पायरेसीज, जिसको मैंने कुछ हेडिंग्स के अंदर जो है डिस्क्लोज किया है। दी कांग्रेस ब्रिटिश अलायंस वर्किंग अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान, जो डिस्क्लोज कर रहे हैं कांग्रेस ब्रिटिश अलायंस को जिन्होंने वर्क किया उस टाइम अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान। नंबर फर्स्ट है नॉमिनल पोजीशन ऑफ द कमीशंस. Radcliffe, chairman, did not take part in proceedings, public sitting of the commission to listen to arguments of both sides. Neither commission could reach an agreement, thus it shows that the award was made by Radcliffe himself, not to be bound by the considerations of the commission. Second इसमें आता है a predetermined award. Einstein, an editor, was instrumental in the leakage of information about Calcutta being assigned to India. Later, Vallabhbhai Patel disclosed that Congress knew what the award was in advance. This shows Congress Mountbatten's secret alliance and that the fate of Calcutta was decided earlier in July 1947 by the Viceroy himself. Calcutta is gone, India is gone. इसके बारे में कुछ वर्ड सरदार पटेल ने फिर बाद में पाकिस्तान बनने के बाद जनवरी 15, 1950 में कहे, वी मेड अ कंडीशन दैट वी कुड ओनली एग्री टू पार्टीशन इफ वी डिड नॉट लूज कलकत्ता. इफ कलकत्ता is gone, then India is gone. Campbell Johnson says that while expressing his foreboding about the future of Calcutta, Mountbatten denied the procedure of self-determination for Calcutta because it might well give the wrong answer. April 25, 1947 के ये words हैं. By the wrong answer he obviously meant a verdict in favor of Pakistan. फिर इसमें आता है rejecting Sir Frederick's proposal. Sir Frederick Burroughs, governor of Bengal, supported Calcutta as a free port both for West and East Bengal, but Mountbatten ruled this out. Appeasing the Sikhs, the Sikhs had decided to be the part of India. Penderel Moom writes that Major Short, devoted to the course of the Sikhs, said in July 1947 while negating Sikh-Muslim rapprochement. फिर कुछ वर्ड्स उन्होंने यहाँ पे कोट किए. With all my sympathies with the Sikhs, I don't think that on merit this could be done, and it was possible by influencing Radcliffe. Ignoring stark reality of Ferozpur headworks, while assigning Ferozpur and Zira Muslim majority to India, Radcliffe argued that he did not want the disruption of railway communications and water system, but the reality was that except the Bekaner Canal, all the canals taking off from the Ferozpur headwork irrigated mostly Muslim majority areas contiguous to West Punjab. Thus, on the very grounds that he advanced, these areas should have gone to Pakistan, not India. इसमें 7th आता है कि lame excuses over Gurdaspur. While arguing over the demarcation of Gurdaspur, Mountbatten said that Muslim majority was very thin, 0.8% over here, and that it is unlikely that the boundary commission will throw the whole of the district into the Muslim majority areas. ये Mountbatten के अल्फाज थे. This biased statement was designed to influence the judgment of the Punjab Boundary Commission on a crucial issue that was decisive for the fate of Kashmir. जो आजकल कश्मीर इशू चल रहा है इसी वजह से ही है. Misinterpretation of other factors. The June 3rd plan provided that the boundaries would be demarcated by major principle and some other factors. This undefined and vague term encouraged exaggerate claims, increased the difficulties which worked in favor of India and against Pakistan. 9th पे आता है from so obvious a case to hesitations. Justice Deen Mohammad representing Pakistan in Punjab Commission reported that regarding Ferozpur and Zira Ratcliffe had said that it is unnecessary to argue over it because it was so obvious a case to be included in Pakistan, but later on he himself confessed that he hesitated long over those not inconsiderable areas in which Muslim majorities are found. The question is, why did their later hesitation arise and who caused this hesitation which led to a reversal of his previous judgment? It seems that Ratcliffe had changed his mind as a result of some outside interference. 10th पे आता है changing the original award. There are conclusive evidences that the original award was changed in some of its aspects. Sir Francis Moody, Governor of Punjab, found a sketch map of the award prepared by Viceroy Private Secretary George Abel on August 8, 1947. On this map, the tehsils of Ferozpur and Zira formed the part of Pakistan, but in Ratcliffe's report date August 12, 1947, making the award, these tehsils were included in India. Obviously, between these two dates, that is the 8th and 12th of August, there had been a change at the expense of Pakistan. फिर है इम्पैक्ट ऑफ रैटक्लिफ अवार्ड. इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या था? द अवार्ड हैड फार रीचिंग इम्पैक्ट एडवर्सली अफेक्टिंग द जियोग्राफी एंड इकोनॉमी ऑफ पाकिस्तान. नंबर फर्स्ट है फैसिलिटेटिंग इंडियन एंट्री इनटू कश्मीर बाय साइनिंग द मुस्लिम मेजॉरिटी तहसील्स ऑफ गुरदासपुर एंड बटाला टू इंडिया. द अवार्ड प्रोवाइडेड इंडिया विद अ लिंक टू जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड पेव्ड द वे फॉर द बिटरेस्ट डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान. Loss of Kolkata. Kolkata was vital for the economic health of East Bengal due to its industry, commerce and seaport, without which Tyson called East Bengal to be a rural slum. Number 3rd है disruptive irrigation system. The loss of Ferozpur headworks had negative impact on water system in Pakistan, injurious to its farms. The loss of Gurdaspur and Batala disrupted the upper Bari Doob Canal, though its headworks were in Pathankot, Hindu majority tehsils, but it irrigated mostly Muslim majority areas in contiguous to West Punjab. Jeopardizing economy of West Pakistan. The control of India over canal headworks on Satluj and Ravi put the economic life of West Pakistan in jeopardy, particularly when India cut off water supplies in April 1948. Number 5th है change in award and communal rewards. The Muslims of West Punjab thought that their areas had been included in Pakistan, but the unexpected decision led to horrible communal rewards with inexpressible loss of lives and property of Muslim. लास्ट में कंक्लूजन आता है अ प्री डिटरमाइंड अवार्ड प्री प्लान्ड कॉन्स्पायरेसी आउटसाइड इंटरफेरेंस नो टू यूएनओ एंड लॉ लॉर्ड्स नो डाउट वी फील दैट द carving out of this great independence Muslim states has suffered injustice. It may not be a judicial but a political award. As honorable people we must abide by it with fortitude, courage and hope. ये कायदे आज़म के कुछ वर्ड्स थे कंक्लूजन में. तो ये था आज का टॉपिक. उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें एंड दूसरों के साथ भी ज़रूर शेयर करें. थैंक यू.